Good afternoon everyone, we are INSPIRO team from Kazakhstan, Karaganda city, and there are 4 of us in our team. My name is Ibrahim and I'm engineer designer of our team.
Hello everyone, my name is Yasmin and I'm designer of our team.
Hi, my name is Russell, I am programmer of our team.
Hello, my name is Rustam and I am engineer program.
So we would like to present our technical demonstration and the work we did.
In our show, we are inspired by Lewis Carroll's fairy tale Alice in Wonderland.
There are 4 main elements in our show, the wise tree, the Cheshire cat, caterpillar and flowers. And our show have 4 main features. It's AI technologies, object detecting using the matching vision camera, and speech recognize and animatronic robots.
Another element of our show is a caterpillar. The track frame is assembled from Lego and is controlled using EF3 control unit, with 2 large motors to drive. The first motor is mounted at the back and performs the role of oscillation of the body, and the second motor is mounted at the front and moves it forward. The skeleton of the caterpillar is made so that the movement of the first motor is transmitted along the entire length. From the outside, it's shipped with rails from a children's toy. This is a very bright and elastic material that is better suited for our caterpillar. An infrared sensor is also installed. The tree uses an AR transmitter to transmit a signal to the caterpillar and it begins its movement. The infrared sensor also plays the role of the rangefinder. This allows you to get out of force majeure situation if the AR transmitter cannot transmit the signal. The technical part of our flower is controlled using Arduino. We use RGB lights and install them under the flower on the voltage. RGB lamps are connected to L298M motor drivers. These drivers use PWM to control the intensity of the motor. We connect 2 drivers and 3 lamps to 3 of the 4 slots for the motor. That is 1 red, 1 green and 1 blue lamp. By writing a simple Arduino code and changing the EN value, for example, for one color, we can change the intensity and brightness of the color. This creates transfusion effect. First, we connect the circuit without lamps to find out at what EN values we can get the permissible voltage for the lamps. Further experimenting, we achieve the result we need.
The tree's eyes consist of eyeballs and eyelids, which move using servomotors controlled by the special motor. The system involves 4 servomotors, 2 for rotating the eyeballs and 2 for controlling the eyelids. The robot is equipped with a camera and what uses the OpenCV library to recognize faces. When the camera detects a face, OpenCV determines its coordinates and sends it to Arduino. The Arduino then sends signals to servomotors while turning eyes to true direction. To enhance realism, the robot eyes also blink every 30 seconds. This is achieved through multitasking in the code, allowing the user to track objects and control the movement of the eyelids. The Cheshire cat's electronic part are controlled by Arduino Uno and is moved its toe and tail with servomotors and using a special driver for motors. Its head rotates using an EVG motor connected to Arduino with a special driver for motors. An ultrasonic sensor triggers head movement and will standing within 15 centimeters. An MP3 player relay makes it mill and direct scale. Gesture recognition on a Raspberry Pi calms it down. Waving a hand in front of the Raspberry Pi camera signals to Arduino to lower, full and pull. All electronic housed in a movable box, and we have a custom converter powers for the servomotors driver from 12 volts to 6 volts.
The design is crucial for our show. Our tree's frame is made of cardboard and plywood, dividing the 3 parts for easy assembly and assembly. The surface, including the nose, is covered with molten foam to resemble natural bark. Each part can fold flat, and the nose, mustache, and pants are removable. The cat's head, also covered with molten foam, is lightweight and structured. The entire cat is covered in fur, with eyes made from ping-pong balls to glow. The frame was cut out using cold raw. The flower design involved cloud, experimenting with various fabrics, shaping petals under flame and gluing them on fluorous wire for elasticity. The stem is a lightweight metal plastic tube that can bend easily. Our robots are designed to be both beautiful and mobile, ensuring convenience for the show.